Here we are at the elevator at Montour Heights Country Club in Coraopolis / Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Oh, I hate this song that they're playing right now. Can't wait to hop in the elevator and not have to deal with that song. The elevator, right? Oh, there it is. Three. Certificate. Yep, sometimes holding it a little bit longer than normal, it makes you make sure where your destination wants to go. It's got a cab view. Like the lights, the ceiling, vintage Westinghouse logo. The phone. I forget what year this was installed, but it's definitely gonna be before 1930s, I think. 30s, 20s, teens. I like the sound better than the other one.